Bertua!
Yes, yeah.
You have a very delicious asparagusi with beef. Wow! Napakasarap naman talaga ng kanyang pagkain today. So, nag-decide ako to cook that one because I really love eating asparagus. No, asparagus is really very delicious. That's why I am cooking asparagus because it's delicious. So, ano pa inaantay natin? Let's eat everybody. So, itry natin kaagad no, kung gaano siya kasarap at gaano ka-perfect ang ating luto today. Itsura pa lang, day, really yummy and perfect. Eklabor latak. See? Tikman natin ang sarap ng asparagus. Lamig ka. Isa pa yan. You'll definitely love it. Even our dogs loves it. They smell it well. Lamig. Lamig.
Yummy.
Yan ang advantage pag nag-asawa kayo ng hindi maarte, no? Na lahat ng klase ng luto, he eats everything. So that's the advantage, guys. Kaya, masasabi ko, I'm so blessed. Dahil hindi ako stress magluto ng pagkain because he eats what I prepare. Yun lang, no? Lamig ka. So perfect. Delicioso. Perfecto. Dami kayo. Mahilig din ba kayo sa asparagus? Kasi ako, I love asparagus. Sarap siya. We are once again, Makulay na Buhay, USA Live.